you ready to draw cute Kuromi together? Now let's draw with me. Hi my little artists. Before we begin, I want to say a huge thank you. Your support really helps my small channel keep going. Now let's start. First, start by drawing her two small round paws resting on the rim of the teacup. Draw a horizontal line connecting the two paws right across the rim of the cup. Draw a nice curved arch above the paws to form the sides of her cute face. An easy way to draw her bangs is to make a few little lines above her eyes like this. Now connect those lines together like this. Draw the outline of Kuromi's signature cute skull emblem right on the center of her hood. Add the eye sockets and nose details inside the skull emblem to make it look just right. Now, let's draw her big, sparkling right eye with cute eyelashes on the outer side. First, I'm going to draw her eyelashes because the eyes will connect to them. Then attach an oval to complete the eye shape. Add a tiny little circle inside each eye to make them nice and shiny. Color in the large pupils of both eyes black, leaving the cute shiny highlights white. Now, let's draw her big, sparkling left eye with eyelashes to match the other side. Right below the eyes and nose, draw a tiny, cute sad mouse curve. Add her two tiny eyebrows right above her eyes. Draw the curved rim line of the teacup passing right under her paws. Then, draw the top part of her hair and add some small details to make it look real. Draw Kuromi's signature pointy jester ears at the top with little round balls at the tips. Now, draw the large, rounded body of the teacup curving down from the rim. Start drawing cute little circles, polka dots scattered across the front of the teacup. On the right side, draw the cup handle. At the bottom of the cup, draw a small base so the cup can stand nicely. Your adorable drawing is all done. I hope you had so much fun creating this with me today. Hit subscribe for more fun art tutorials, and let me know in the comments what we should draw next. See you in the next video.
See you in the next videos. I'm Little Pencil. Goodbye.